girl, Iamdevonanicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I am here with our mystery bags. FABFITFUN mystery bags. Yay! So, I have 4 mystery bundles to go through with you guys. So guys, I have 4 bundles to go through today. I have a mystery bundle that costs $19.99. I have a surprise bath and body bundle that's $24.99. I also have a surprise home bundle that's valued at $24.99. And I have a surprise skincare bundle that's valued at $24.99. So let's get started with the bundles because we just got a lot to get through. So we just gonna start. So this one here is, I'm assuming this is the skincare. So let me just take everything out and I'll show you guys what's in here really quick. So the skincare bundle has a code number here of the SKI-BU-120. For you guys that care, because I know there's a following. If you know what code number it is, you know what's in here. So the first item that I have in this skincare bundle, I have a Bliss product. This is a Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Moisturizing Cream for sensitive skin. I haven't used this before. This is pretty cool. Let me see what it looks like outside of the box. Just to show you guys the size. So this is what it looks like. And that's pretty cool. I haven't used this before. So a gentle moisturizing cream. Definitely need moisture this time of the year because between the heat and the cold weather, your skin is just drying out. So it says calm and get it. This is created for people with sensitive skin and loved by all. Okay. It's infused with soothing rose flower water and Kaleido Gold and a never greasy formula that absorbs into the skin instantly to replenish. So that's pretty dope. So that's the first item out of the skincare bundle. The next item I have a Dr. B Lab. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. So this is a oil to foam cleanser. I'm assuming this is a facial cleanser. Let's see. Yes, cleans and removes makeup. This double down on dirt. This is a oil to foam cleanser enriched with comforting ashwagandha root and nourishing sunflower oil designed to leave the skin completely soft and deeply cleansed. So this is a 4.2 fluid ounce. Again, I'm not familiar with this brand. If you guys have tried out this brand, let me know in the comments below what your experience was with it. So this is the Dr. B Lab. And this is, again, 4.0 fluid ounces that we received in this box. So let's move on to the next item. The last item that we have in here, it says Salt and Stone. I'm not familiar with this brand either. This is, what is this? A facial oil, an antioxidant facial oil is what it says here. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. So I'm not that familiar with them. If you guys have some additional information about this brand, let me know. Let me show you what it looks like outside of the box. So this is the oil here outside of the box. And again, this is a facial oil. The formula is enriched with a powerful mix of fatty acids, antioxidants to deeply nourish and replenish the skin. So you just put 3 to 5 drops in and massage it into your face, neck, and décolleté. Yes, I guess that's it. So again, Salt and Stone, never heard of them. I like facial oil, so I'll be glad to try it out. Just never heard of them. I would love to know what you guys know about these brands if you've tried them. So let's go ahead and move on to the next bundle that we have because we have quite a few things to go. So the next thing I'm grabbing is this one here. This is the mystery bundle. So mystery bundle number is right here for you guys that care. So it's right here. And that one is 2304-MYS-013. So that is what that mystery bag number is here. Let's check out what we have in this one. Ooh, fuzzy socks by Summer and Rose. Let me pull them out of here. I love fuzzy socks. I like to give these as gifts too. These are so cute. Look, they have my color purple. and burgundy, and then they have a white pair here that have the tips of them colored and the heel. How nice. They feel so soft. Oh, they're so soft. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this a lot. So let's see what else is in here. The next thing we have, I have Aloe Glow System. Have you guys heard of this one? This is a luminizing face moisturizer. I have never heard of this. It has amla, aloe, and botanicals to nourish your skin. Often called a miracle fruit. It has anti-inflammatory properties shown to help build collagen, protect against environmental damage, and reduce fine lines and improve the skin texture, glow, and pigmentation. Oh, that's pretty neat. Can I get in here? They got a piece of plastic covering it. Hold on. Let me pull it out so you guys can see. I've never heard of this. I've heard of amla oil for hair, and I do know that there's a clay powder for that as well. So, luminizing facial moisturizer. Okay, that works. And this is a full size. This is 2 fluid ounces of the product here. This is a facial moisturizer. So let's see what else is in here. We also have a Pure Less product here, guys. We have the Blush and Glow BB Cheek color. What color is it? So this is a creamy light buildable formula here. It has the thing sealed, so I can't, hold on. Let me go this way to get in. I don't know what color it is. Unless this is the color, this peachy color here. So this is a Blush Glow, and it's in this peachy color. So I'm assuming that's the color. It doesn't say what color it is, but okay. Yeah, that ain't gonna work for me probably. So this would get given away. So let's see what else is in here. We also have, oh, look at this, a reusable tumbler. This is, okay, by My Tagalongs. It's BPA free, reusable, eco-friendly, double wall stainless steel, non-toxic BPA. You would hand wash this and you can't microwave it, but this is a tumbler. Oh, it's in my favorite color, so purple. So this is nice. This is really nice. I like this. Very nice. So that what was in the mystery bundle here. So let's move on to our next bundle. So I have a mystery bag that they sent me here. So we're going to go through that pretty quickly and see what's in here. So the first item they sent me was an invisible bobby. This is a hair clip. This is the Everclaw. Let me, oh, they got it. They have it on here. Yeah, it's kind of wrapped in. I'm not going to take it off because I plan to give this away as a gift. When I seen it, I was like, oh, I know who to give this to. So that is the first item in the mystery bag. The next item that's in here is a Tula product. I like that brand. They're pretty pricey too. This looks like some, what is this? A Take Care and Polish. This is a revitalizing and cleanser body exfoliator. Oh, perfect. I love stuff like this. This is a big one too. This is an 8 fluid ounce one. Let me see what this looks like outside of the box. I haven't used this one before. This will be the first for me. But I love body exfoliators, especially this time of year. Get all that dead skin off so your skin can be nice and soft and beautiful. Ooh, it has a nice fragrance in here. I'm not going to open it. I don't want to have it be wasting away on the shelf and I'm not ready to use. But that's the second. And the last item that came in this mystery bag is a foldable yoga mat. And it has like a latex kind of feeling on the mat here. This is by, is it Gaima? The Yoga Revolution is here. We know the Good Flow. This is nice. A nice yoga mat for working out. Super compact. This is nice. I think this is great for people that work out. This is nice to take to the gym with you even if you don't want to use the ones at the gym. You could kind of just put this in your bag and take, or if you work out at home, this is perfect as well. So the mystery bag number that came on this one was, this is the mystery number here if you guys care. So we have another bundle here. I'm assuming this is for the body. take all this stuff out real quick. So there's 3 items in this one, and the mystery bag number here, that's what I'm assuming this is for the body, BAB BU120. And we have 3 items in here. So guys, the first product I have is the Miami Beach Club. This is their bum and body cream and the scent lemongrass. Oh, this will probably smell really clean. Is it sealed or can I get into it? Oh, they have it sealed, so I can't even get. I like lemongrass has such a nice clean scent to it. So this is their, I've heard of them before, but I haven't used any of their products. This Miami Beach Bum product line, I haven't used anything from here. So I'll be interested to see how this is. This is just a body cream. It says, meet your solution to irritations caused by sweating, shaving, waxing, and more. I'm going to have to look this one up. I've never heard anything about this particular body cream, but that's interesting that it says meet your solution to sweating, shaving, waxing, and more. Okay, cool. Okay. The next item in here, I have a Cuccio. This is their Botanicals hand and body wash. And this is a eucalyptus and Montana flower. I have used this before, so I'm pretty familiar with the body washes, so that's cool. And then the next product I have here is a Dermalect product. This is their Runway Ready Luxury Foot Treatment. I've never tried the foot treatment. I didn't even know they made one. So this one says it's the #1 peptide infused anti-aging foot treatment. It says it's an intensely rich, luxurious formulation that promotes a retextured, smoother, and silkier feel for dry, rough, and chapped skin. Oh, that's good. So let me show you what it looks like. This looks like a full size to me anyway. So this is the product outside of the box. And this is 3.5 fluid ounces. I am very familiar with Dermalect brand, and I use their retinol all the time for my face. So I can't wait to try this one out. This will be good. So you just apply this twice a day, morning and evening. So I guess you don't even need to like wet your feet or anything. You just put this on. Huh. Interesting. I'm going to have to look this up a little bit more and get some info. Oh, it does have some info in here. I have to read that a little bit later. So let's see what's in our final bag. We got one more bag to go. One more. Let's go. And this one looks pretty loaded as well. So let's see what's in here. And the number on this one is right here. This is, I guess, the home bundle. So let's see what we have in this one. Let's see. So this is my Tagalon's product, and this is Office to Go. I don't know what the hell that means. I guess I'm going to find out. Office to Go. Okay. So in here, it says, take this to the office with you whenever you go. This is a handy kit. It features a carry-all pouch, which I'm holding, and desk essentials from working from home has never been so easy. You get scissors, tape, a stapler remover, a sharpener, a hole puncher, and a neoprene carrying pouch. Okay, I'm game. Let me open this up. I just think it's funny, like, office to go, okay. Because I go to the office once a week for my job. I don't take none of this stuff. We paperless. Like, I guess that's why I thought it was funny. Like, if you remote work, you most of the time paperless. So this is what it looks like outside of the little packaging there. And this is how it looks on the inside. So there's literally a case. You get a little thing of sticky, look like sticky. No, that's staples, okay. So the staple remover, scissors, a mini tape, is this the stapler over here? Yeah, this is the stapler, and this is the hole puncher, and this is the sharpener, the pencil sharpener. Okay. I've never seen nothing like this. I just think this is funny. Alright, let's go to the next thing. This is funny to me. Okay, all right. People may need this. I know I don't need it for my work from home, but I mean my days in the office, I don't need none of that stuff. But okay, never seen nothing like that. So here we have another item. This looks like a bowl, made in China. A set of 4 melanin plates. Let's see, plates. Okay, it feels like one big plate. It don't even feel like it's 4. Let's see what they look like. Cake kind. Oh, these feel like plastic. Okay, that must be the color. Ah, okay. Melanine plates. Cake and kind. So these are like plastic plates. Yeah, these are not like what is this made out of? Wash thoroughly, dishwasher safe, not suitable for the microwave. Everything is made in China. But yeah, these are plates. That's nice. I wish they were microwave safe, because you know most of us microwave everything. But the plates are cute. Very cute plates. That's nice. So let's see what else is in here. Is it one thing or 2 things? One thing left. Okay. So this is the last item here. And this is a laundry basket. Oh my God, a laundry basket. I've never. Okay. So this is what it is. It has flowers. That's the first to turn off for me, because I don't like stuff with flowers on it. And these look like the old lady flowers. But this is the laundry bag. This is very convenient though. Like if you're taking stuff, I think, from upstairs to downstairs, or you know, a college student, they definitely can use a laundry bag. This is pretty neat. I'm trying to pull it back some so I can show you. It has the rope handles. I would have liked this if it was no flowers. Sis don't like flowers, and not these old lady flowers. This is ugly. Useful, but it's ugly because of the print. I don't like the print. Okay, so that is neat. I've never received a laundry basket from FABFITFUN. They keep impressing me with sending me different things. This is neat. So we have some interesting things in this mystery bundle. We have mystery bundles in general. There's a lot of interesting things. We got plates. We got a laundry basket. Office on the go, which is weird. We got skincare products, body wash, body cream, feet treatments. We got a cup, a tumbler. We got other socks. This was interesting and neat. So I always like getting these. These are like a treasure chest of you don't know what you're getting. But I enjoyed unbundling all of this stuff with you guys today. I hope you had fun watching this video and checking out what was in my mystery bundles. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly, and I would love to have you a part of my channel here. And I do love showing you guys what I'm receiving in my subscription boxes, and I like sharing that with you and love hearing what you guys are picking up as well. If you have not subscribed, please tap the subscribe button and the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye! Happy holidays!